Looking for a lovely 3-bedroom home with a beautiful oversized lot and a great lake view? Then this is a home for you. Minutes from downtown, this home has a brand new roof, gutters, exterior lighting, a rebuilt lanai and sprinkler system outside, and has been recently painted outside and inside. Inside you will find many improvements including new lighting, new fans, newer appliances and a new generator, can be either gas or propane. A 1-year home warranty is included for complete peace of mind. The home is located in Royalwood, a bundle golf course community, and is a short drive to Fifth Avenue's famous shopping, restaurants and beaches.